Somebody wanted some free flight time. Hi, Bagel. Hi, Bagel. Hi. Did you want some free flight time? Yeah, you did. Hello. Hello, Bagel. Hi. Hi. Bagel still isn't quite tamed yet, so he's a little spooked by hands and people. Hi. Not quite tame. Still adorable, though. Still adorable. Hi, Bagel. Hi, Bagel. Hi. What you doing? What you doing, Bagel? What you doing? You being cute. You being cute. Aw, hello. Hello, Bagel. Hi. Yeah, still a little spooked. Okay. Well, we'll work on that. Okay. Hi, Bagel. Hi. Hello. So Bagel's been doing great. Has plenty of toys. I think I'm gonna change up his cage a little today. But plenty of toys and still doing great and being adorable. She likes to practice flight, just flap her wings around, get some exercise. But that's how Bagel's doing.